Welcome to another Vitamix Blender Showdown. Today, we have a detailed Vitamix A3300 versus a 3500 comparison, which has been a highly requested video. In the next few minutes, you'll know all of the key differences between the Vitamix A3300 and the Vitamix A3500, so that you can decide which one is right for you. Links to the current prices for each product are at the top of the description. When it comes to blending power, both the Vitamix A3300 and A3500 pack a punch. You'll find the same robust 2.2 peak horsepower motor in both models, ensuring smooth blends every time. The laser-cut stainless steel blades in these blenders are built to last. They effortlessly crush ice, pulverize tough ingredients, and create silky smooth textures. Where the A3500 shines is its pre-programmed settings. You get 5 options: smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning. This feature takes the guesswork out of blending times. The A3300, while lacking preset programs, still delivers excellent results. Its variable speed control and pulse feature give you manual control over your blends. Both models feature Vitamix's self-detect technology. This smart system recognizes the container size and adjusts blend settings accordingly. In terms of noise, the A3500 has a slight edge. It's engineered to run a bit quieter, which you might appreciate during early morning smoothie sessions. In my experience, the A3500 slightly edges out its counterpart when it comes to handling tough ingredients. You'll find it a bit more adept at pulverizing fibrous vegetables and crushing ice. For making nut butters, the A3500 also seems to have a slight advantage. But the difference is very small, and this is just what I've personally observed from using them both. Both models excel at creating silky smoothies, hot soups, and dips. However, the A3500's pre-programmed settings give you more convenience for these common tasks. If you frequently work with hearty ingredients or make nut butters, the A3500 might be your best bet. But for everyday blending needs, the A3300 is still highly capable and 90% as good as the A3500. Both the Vitamix A3300 and A3500 showcase sleek, modern designs that will elevate your kitchen countertop. You'll notice their sturdy construction, featuring a durable plastic container atop a solid metal base. The A3300 and A3500 share identical dimensions of 11 inches by 8 inches by 17 inches, fitting comfortably under most kitchen cabinets. However, the A3500 is slightly heavier at 14.9 pounds compared to the A3300's 12 pounds. Both models sport a brushed stainless steel finish that resists fingerprints and cleans easily. You'll also appreciate the touchscreen controls on both blenders, offering a smooth, intuitive interface. The main design difference lies in the control panel. The A3500 features 5 pre-programmed settings, while the A3300 relies solely on manual controls. This gives you more automated options with the A3500. Both blenders come with a 64-ounce low-profile container, perfect for family-sized portions. The clear measurement markings on the side are handy for precise recipes. The A3500 comes equipped with 5 preset programs for smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning. These one-touch options take the guesswork out of blending, ensuring perfect results every time. In contrast, the A3300 lacks these preset programs. You'll need to manually control the blending process, which might require a bit more attention and experimentation. Both models feature a programmable timer, allowing you to set the exact blending duration. This hands-free operation is perfect when you're multitasking in the kitchen. The A3500 and A3300 are compatible with the Vitamix Perfect Blend app. This smart feature lets you access hundreds of recipes and fine-tune your blending techniques. Both blenders offer versatility beyond smoothies. You can make hot soups, nut butters, and frozen desserts with ease. The main difference lies in the A3500's preset programs, which streamline the process for these specific tasks. As I mentioned earlier in my Vitamix A3300 versus a 3500 comparison, the Vitamix A3300 and A3500 both feature sleek touchscreen interfaces, giving them a modern and intuitive feel. You'll find the controls easy to navigate on both models. On the A3300, you get a simple, minimalist design with a digital timer and variable speed control. It's straightforward to use, letting you adjust blending time and speed with a few taps. The A3500 takes things up a notch. In addition to the touchscreen, it offers 5 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning. This can be a real time saver if you frequently make these items. The A3500's pre-programmed settings can be handy, but they're not essential. If you prefer manual control, you might find the A3300's simpler interface more appealing. Keeping your Vitamix blender clean is a breeze, whether you choose the A3300 or A3500. Both models feature dishwasher-safe containers and blades, making cleanup a snap. For quick rinses between uses, you can simply add warm water and a drop of dish soap to the container. Run the blender for about 30 seconds and you're done. That said, the A3500 has a slight edge with its self-cleaning preset program, meaning you don't have to manually start then stop the cleaning process.